In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural remedy using only seeds to improve the health of your bones and joints. I recently discovered a small, easy-to-prepare remedy that will improve the health of your bones and joints. Do you suffer from joint and bone pain? Then this recipe will help you as it helped me. Seeds come in many shapes, sizes, colors, and flavors. They help in many culinary dishes and can also be eaten plain without any garnish. Because they contain the embryo of a plant, seeds have a very high concentration of enzymes, nutrients, proteins, oils, and vitamins, and serve as an excellent food, helping us in the prevention and treatment of various diseases. Put in a bowl 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, which contains lignans, phytochemicals with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that have a positive effect on the body. In addition, flaxseed is a calcium-rich food and therefore helps strengthen bones. This applies to both brown and golden flaxseed. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Both black and white contain 7 times more calcium than cow's milk. They're great sources of calcium that are important for our bone health. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, minerals that are essential for bone health and to prevent osteoporosis. 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. Due to their high content of magnesium, selenium, phosphorus, calcium, and proteins, they help strengthen bones and muscles and are especially suitable for those who do a lot of sports, as they provide the body with energy. Mix everything with a spoon and then put it in a grinder or food processor. After the flour is well ground, put it in a glass jar with a lid. Add honey as much as necessary to keep the mixture moist. Research conducted by Purdue College, USA, on mice has shown that honey can increase the absorption of calcium by 33%. It's believed that the carbohydrates contained in the food, especially glucose, fructose, and raffinose, are responsible for this. You can take 1 tablespoon before breakfast and 1 tablespoon before lunch. Keep it in the refrigerator until you use the entire contents of the jar. I hope you like the recipe and it helps you as it helped me. If you want to make more because your pot is bigger, just increase the number of tablespoons for each of the seeds proportionally. For example, you can use 3 tablespoons of each seed. If you made this recipe, come back here and share your experience. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.